When you search for shoes with wheels for girls, everything looks the exact same. Same flashy designs, same bold claims. But to find the right pair that balances fun and safety, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Vinyl Girls Adjustable Inline Skates. First up are the Vinyl Girls Adjustable Flashing Inline Skates from 2PM Sports, priced at $49.99. What caught my attention was the vibrant violet and magenta color scheme and the fact that they come with light-up wheels. If you want your girl to shine bright while skating, this is worth a serious look. These skates have 4 adjustable sizes, meaning they can grow with your child. This is a big deal because you won't have to keep buying new pairs as her feet grow. Plus, the self-lighting wheels are a fun touch that kids absolutely love, turning skating into a magical experience. The reinforced aluminum frame and ABEC7 bearings ensure a smooth ride, and with over 9,200 reviews averaging 4.7 stars, it's clear that lots of kids and parents are happy with these. Now I'll be real with you, some parents mention that the skates can be a bit hard to adjust at first. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's actually quite easy, and it's worth it for the longevity you get. This is perfect for you if you want a fun and safe pair of skates that can last for years. Skip this one if your child prefers a more traditional roller skate look. For the price, the quality you're getting is definitely a good deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for kids who need a more colorful design. Product number 2: Rainbow Unicorn Adjustable Roller Skates. Next, we have the Rainbow Unicorn 4-size adjustable roller skates from SULFEL, also priced at $49.99. The rainbow design immediately caught my eye, making these skates perfect for any little girl who loves unicorns. If you want something that sparks joy and fits growing feet, these skates are worth a serious look. The secure triple fastening system with laces, straps, and a sturdy buckle means your child will be stable while gliding around. With over 12,400 reviews and a 4.8-star rating, parents rave about how smooth and comfortable these skates are. This is important because comfort means your kid will want to wear them more often. However, some users reported that the laces can loosen during skating. Here's the thing though, that's a common issue with many skates, and with a little attention, it's easy to adjust them back to a snug fit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun gift that your child will actually use. Skip this one if your child prefers a more serious or sporty design. For the price, you get a fun and functional pair of skates that kids will love. Now, if the adjustable size of the first product was a concern for you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3: Kids Roller Skates by Natork. Coming in at number 3 are the Kids Roller Skates by Natork, priced at a budget-friendly $37.73. The blue color is vibrant and appealing. If you want a great value without sacrificing fun, these skates are worth a serious look. These skates feature 4 adjustable sizes and have a durable buckle designed to keep your child's foot secure while skating. The wheels have ABEC7 bearings, which means they roll smoothly, making for a pleasant skating experience. With a 4.7-star rating from 2,600 reviews, parents are generally pleased. The material used even feels sturdy and well-constructed, lasting longer than many cheaper options. However, some parents found that the sizing can feel a bit small, especially as kids grow. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers on quality. Skip this one if you want a more flashy design. At this price, you're getting solid performance without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a solid choice. But the next one might surprise you with its unique features. Product number 4: PAPAISON Adjustable Inline Skates. Next up are the PAPAISON Adjustable Inline Skates, priced at $49.99. What makes these stand out is the full light-up wheels that turn your skating into a dazzling experience. If you want something that looks cool and performs well, these are worth a serious look. These skates have an adjustable size feature, which is great for growing feet. The light-up wheels are powered by the skating motion, so you never need to worry about batteries. With a 4.5-star rating from over 12,200 reviews, it's clear that skaters love the performance. However, a few users mentioned that the sizing can be tricky to get right. Here's the thing, though, as long as you double-check the size chart and adjust the skates before using them, you'll find they fit just right. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something fun and flashy that still delivers on safety. Skip this one if you're after a more minimalist design. For the price, the fun factor combined with quality is a great find. Now, if adjustable sizing is what you're after, the last product on this list has a great solution. Product number 5, Vinyl Girls Adjustable Inline Skates version 2. Finally, we have the Vinyl Girls Adjustable Inline Skates version 2, also from 2PM Sports, priced at $75.99. Similar to the previous version, these skates come in a stunning violet and magenta color and are highly rated. If you want something stylish and durable, this is worth a serious look. They come with 8 illuminating wheels for added fun, and the aluminum frame ensures reliability. The ABEC7 bearings ensure smooth skating, which is critical for new skaters who are still finding their balance. With 9,200 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, they're clearly a favorite among parents. However, some parents did mention that this version feels slightly heavier than others. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and high-quality skate that your child can grow into. Skip this one if your child prefers lightweight skates for easier maneuverability. For the price, you're investing in a quality piece of gear that will last for years. So there you have it, 5 fantastic pairs of wheeled shoes for girls. From the fun and flashy designs of the vinyl inline skates to the more traditional-looking SULIFEL rainbow unicorn skates, there's something for everyone. Whether your priority is fun, comfort, or durability, these options have you covered. Happy skating!